Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeff. I'm doing my day trading recap. Today is Monday, December 9th. So I took two trades, one on Big and one on DocuSign. Um, they were on my main watch. I was looking for something specific in order, to make the trade that I wanted. So let's go ahead and go into Big here. So Big on the daily here had a beautiful power earnings gap, as you can see on this. Let me pull up this daily chart. So power earnings gap, as you can see here, Friday, huge volume, gapped up, closed right around near the highs of the day. So what I was looking here was for a red to green move. So at the open, generally you'll see profit taking, and then you'll see this followed up by support buying, going to from red to a green move. So as you can see here, this thing did sell off like I expected it to. Once it reclaimed that previous day close, went green. It was hovering around there. I knew that this was going to be, a good play. So I took it long here. I tried to get filled here, and this thing immediately spiked up. But I had my stop right around break of VWAP right here. And yeah, and I just rode this. I knew that this can possibly start trending for the rest of the day. So as you can see on the 5 minute chart and on the 15, this thing is just marching higher, just trending beautifully. And yeah, man, I didn't even take my first partial. I think until about 40 minutes into the trading day. So extremely proud with this trade, extremely patient. But yeah, I made my goal on this on this one trade. And I just took the rest off because I actually got to go to work and I didn't really have that many shares left. So as you can see, yep, it's getting to that. It broke that 2680 level, and this thing is up 6.8%. So man, beautiful trade here. Another one that I was really watching was also DocuSign. So same concept. Friday, you got that post earnings gap, was looking for a sell off at the open, same thing, and possibly go green. So it did go green for a little bit, but this thing sold off. But I want you to notice on the 30-minute chart that there's support right around this 74 level, as you can see. So this was on Friday, came, touched it, and then bounced. And same thing, right at the open, came down, touched it, and that made me bullish and got in early for a possible red to green move. So my target was right around 75.57 here, possibly, but I went long with my stop right here, the break of the 200-day moving average, also this 5 minute candle here. And I put in an order for 2 to 1, but for some reason, um, I got chickened out. This thing, popped up, it gave me my 1 to 1. And at that point I wanted to move my stop to break even. And yeah, this ended up making the move and I would have got my 2 to 1, as you can see on the 5 minute chart. So ah, wish I could have that one back, but hindsight is always 2020. So um, didn't lose anything on this trade, but today would have been a much better day if I just had stuck to the plan. So, but yeah, man. Other than that, not that bad of a day. It's a really slow day today, but you know, what are you gonna do? So, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I hope everyone had a beautiful day.